Hello students, welcome back to CLARI Concepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. For more videos on engineering concepts, you can log into our website clariconcepts.com. So before I move on today, I again brought some interesting images for you, and you have came across those images in your day-to-day lives, and you might have also wondered why is this happening, what is the physics behind that. Okay, so this lecture is going to be very interesting for you and funny. Stay with us. You might have seen small kids floating on the surface of water with the help of this kind of tube, right? Have you ever thought why is a kid floating on the surface of water with the help of this tube? Without this tube, the kid will sink. On the other hand, you might also enjoy the ride of boats or ship floating on the surface of water on a river or sea kind of thing, right? Why it does float on the surface of water? You might have also seen the kind of the small kids or children enjoying in the amusement park, taking the enjoyment of floating on the surface of water. So why is this happening and what is the physics behind this? Let me also take you to one of the example of an ancient time when people used to take out water from their well with the help of this kind of thread and bucket. You might have experienced that. I don't know whether you have experienced it or not. At least I have done that. So till the time when bucket is inside the water, you feel that bucket is lighter in weight. The moment bucket comes out of the water, then you will start feeling the weight of the water, the bucket. So have you ever experienced this thing? If not, do it once. So now the question is, why is this happening? The answer to this question will be given by one of the very fundamental principle called buoyancy. But before that, again, I would like to show you one experiment where buoyancy plays a very significant role. Let us say I have a block.